what is inside of headphones. So my son already sort of destructed these, but you can see this is the foamy thing that's on the outside of the ear part of the headphone. And when I crack it open, there's battery, and then this mechanism I'll have to pull apart. You can see this diaphragm goes up and down. So if I cut it off, and very carefully tear it out, it's a super thin piece of plastic with a copper ring attached to it. And then I can bust the magnet out of it, and that's basically the sound mechanism that vibrates back and forth, makes the sound you hear in your ears. There's wires here attached to this rechargeable battery and a circuit board. Then the hard plastic of the headphones, right, has a wire inside. So far we can see the foam piece, the thin plastic membrane, the piece of copper, and the magnet. And those three pieces are in pretty much every speaker that make the sound waves as they vibrate back and forth. The hard plastic outside is a pretty common thing within our headphones as well. And then inside for the electronics, we have a circuit board, which is usually full of things like silicone and plastic and other metals and wires. And when we cut these wires open, there's actually a piece of plastic around the wires and two small wires inside. One of them is definitely copper. The other one is a lighter silver, perhaps steel or maybe silver. It's a little bit hard to tell without conducting some more tests. And so these are the components of the wire. Then this battery is pretty hard to cut open, and rightfully so, because you shouldn't cut a battery open. It smells terrible. I'm sure it wasn't good for my skin, but inside of there's a substance, a little bit of copper, probably some lithium. So that's the components of headphones.